Thank you everyone for joining us. We're going to start questions now. Guys, we're now out of time.
A derby that has always been important to locals, now a fixture on the national, indeed international stage. Stay tuned and we'll bring you all the action from the Northwest as Manchester City face Manchester United. All roads lead to Manchester today, and we're at the Etihad for a special derby. It is City versus United. Derek Ray here in the commentary position, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. Can't wait for this one, Stuart.
Well, what a great environment to play football. Let's just hope we see two sides who want to win the game rather than being too defensive. This should be a very good game between two excellent teams.
And so the starting 11 for Manchester City.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United.
Enjoy the match.
An absorbing match in prospect. Manchester United get the ball rolling. Now Leon. Ndri. Ryan Sessegnon has it. Sessegnon. And it's played into the centre. Oh, yes! What a classy goal! And make no mistake, there aren't many in the game who would have the confidence to even try it.
Well, here it is again, and all you can do is admire the skill. That's a really clever goal, you have to say.
On they go again. A wake-up call for the City players, maybe. Can they find a response now? Anthony. It's with Joao Cancelo. Hope Mainers. Interception to snuff out the danger. Well, the table shows you where Manchester United currently lie, and not too many people were predicting such a successful season before a ball was... Will he finish? And another one! Two quick goals! Will it turn out to be the two-punch knockout?
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
So the ball rolling again at 2-0. Danny Olmo. It's with Kopmeiners. Anthony. Is this the moment? A goal! Just what they needed. Still plenty of life in this match.
Well, as you can see, he beats the defender so easily with a change of pace, and then it's a decent finish. That's a very good goal, you have to say.
So continuing with the game, City just one behind now. Sessegnon. Holland. And will it be the leveller? Oh, magnificent from the keeper. Fantastic stop. Well, managers will always tell you they're unaware of statistics like this, but it's up to us to point them out. His 200th game in charge.
Well, he's done well, because players can get tired of the same voice. But he's been very clever, because he changes the tactics every so often, and he also has a varied backroom staff, which means the players never get bored.
Holland. Joao Cancelo. Well, he really read that brilliantly. Oh, that's a pass of high quality, but ably intercepted when it looked as though they might be in. It's a promising City move. Useful looking ball. Oh, that's a fine save. They take it short. Well, not quite the cross he was hoping for. Well, not many would debate the point that Erling Haaland is a joy to watch whenever he's out there on the pitch. But what should we expect from him today, Stuart?
Well, he's been in fine form in the league, as you can see from...
Oh, look at this, Stuart, an opportunity! Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
And the short option preferred. Can he finish? And the keeper there to deal with it. And over it comes. Well, still an issue here. Tavares with it. Well, the attack finally comes to nothing, and the keeper has it. Well, here we are on the cusp of the half-time interval. It's Manchester United holding the edge. Stuart, your assessment of what you've seen from them?
Well, it's been a lively first half, hasn't it? Both sides have looked dangerous, but I think they do have a bit more guile in the top third of the pitch, and that's been key to them leading at the moment.
Oh, keeper dealt with it. Let's see about the delivery. It hasn't come to very much. Well, being pressed here. Lozano. And the pass not quite accurate enough. And a throw in then. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. And space here on the flank. Well, he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't. Machado. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Anthony. It's with João Cancelo. Half-time, that will do it for the first half here at the Etihad. So back in business, the second half underway, and City trying to plot a route back into this one. Can they create something? Well, full marks for trying, but very deftly cut out. Given away by Manchester United. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Manchester City facing Everton.
Well, that should be a really good game between two entertaining teams in a great stadium.
Outdoing his opponent. Big chance to get them on terms. Oh, marvellous defending to deny him. Rodriguez. Gavi. And a decent delivery. Well, they can't quite take advantage in the end. Haaland. Phil Foden now. Haaland. It's still alive. Good work to win it back high up the pitch. And holding on to it at the second time of asking.
Well, there it is. United haven't had as much of the ball, but their counter-attacking has been really good.
Oh, they could put it away, Stuart. Haaland. Oh, a goal! They've done it! Quite the comeback, this!
Well, here it is again. It's a wonderful pass from Foden, and this is Haaland at his very best. He's composed, he shows great technique, and he just smashes it beyond the keeper.
So underway again at 2-2. Rodriguez. Machado. Gavi. Manchester United keep the ball. Advantage. And he might be through here. And the flag raised. Offside it is. Good refereeing. Wait. For a natural pause before booking him. A change in the offing for City.
Happy birthday to Alex O'Neill celebrating today for all of your friends
Sessegnon.
and family.
Gavi. Well, they keep the ball moving. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Manchester United taking on Watford. 20 minutes to go in this one. Anthony. They could nudge in front. Oh, there it is! Incredible! How about this for guts and courage? Can they see this out now? What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Sessegnon. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Leon. Evans. Gabby. It did look on for them, but not to be. Marcos Acuna. Not showing good vision. Foden. On to Haaland. Can he finish them off? Superb stop. Well, they'll be looking to add to their advantage from this corner. It's a short one. Haaland. Takes the shot. And a wonderful diving save to deny the opportunity. And over it comes. Clattered away. Saint-Maximin. Surely a really good stop at a critical stage.
Well, had that gone in, there was no way back. Not much time left now, though.
Favouring the short one. So a corner to City as they try to increase their advantage. Played over. And under pressure, that was a fine claim. And he did well to cut it out. Haaland. Well, it could be on for him here. Oh, good hit, close shave. Given away by Manchester United. And in with a real chance. That is a tackle and a half. And so there it is, the final whistle, and Manchester United have lost this game, much to the disappointment of their supporters.
Well, Derek, it was a poor result. It was a really tight contest. Both sides had their chances, could have gone either way, but in the end, they will be disappointed.
Just a couple of questions for you. No further questions, thanks.
Our camera lens trained on one man, in a rich vein of form and topping the scoring charts. Will he add more today on EA TV? And welcome everyone to England's Northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It is Manchester United up against Watford.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got two teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
Well, Manchester United have chosen this particular shape. And the starting 11 for Watford.
Well, although we have it down as a 4-5-1, it's actually more likely to be a 4-2-3-1. They play with two holding midfield players, a number 10 and two wingers. The system has a nice balance to it.
Thank you for attending Old Trafford. Enjoy the match.
And the match is underway. Just failing to hit the target with his pass, and it'll be a throw-in. Caballero. Could cross it in here. Real chance. And a goal! Not wasting much time today. They strike first.
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Rodriguez. Caballero. Oh, good vision. An attack full of promise. Well, it all counts for naught. That's useful play. Can he finish? Well, that was a gilt-edged opportunity for the equaliser.
Well, I'm not sure how he's missed the target from there. That's a poor effort.
Ndri. Caballero. Machado. Ndri. Ryan Sessegnon has it. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? And options in the centre. And a struggle to get it away properly. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. creative look about this. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Ayala. Still trailing, but they're upping the pressure. Now Leon. Will it be? And it's in for Manchester United. They are on a victory course.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end, but his movement was really good. He just found himself a bit of space in the box when it mattered most.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. An unforced error, you've got to say.
Well, United have certainly controlled the ball, as you can see, and that's been because of their ability to win the ball back so quickly. Their pressing has been excellent, and they just haven't stopped working. It's been a fantastic performance up to now.
Going well, and credit is due for that good piece of defending. Gavi. On the ball, Lozano. Committed challenge. Well, the attack looks promising. This might be ideal for the counter. Can they take advantage of the situation? Well, good clean catch by the keeper. Ayala here. Might be able to set up the chance. Well, not allowed to continue. He had drifted into the offside position.
Well, if he takes a step back to the ball and then spins in behind, he'll be onside. But he does know where the space is.
Sessegnon. Well, in terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute. Can he put it in? So with that, the first half comes to an end and Manchester United hold the advantage.
Well, we talked about their scoring record at the start of the game, and it's been the same old story today. Far too strong, far too dynamic for their opponents, and clinical when they've had the chances too. I just can't see there being a response.
And the second half underway. It really was a dazzling first 45 from United. The switch of play now. In position. And the ball is loose. Oh, managing to beat him. Well, his teammate got him out of trouble. Making progress. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Could play it in. And he's lost custody of the ball here. No, high-quality defending. Europa League group stage action for you to look forward to here on EA TV. It's Manchester United. Must be! Great chance to make it a brace, but the keeper had his say.
Well, he has to get a second goal soon. He's been brilliant today.
And over it comes. Not away completely. Well, able to survive that attacking push. Chance here. And it goes! The lead just gets bigger. Surely they can't let this slip now.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect. But when he shoots, I expected him to go across the goalkeeper. He should never beat the goalkeeper inside that near post. That's not good keeping.
So on with the game again. United in charge. The scoreline threatening to get ugly. Hurdur Magnusson. Matty Pollock. An effective ball. Good-looking sequence. Opportunity here. Well denied by the woodwork this time.
Well, the keeper was beaten, but the woodwork wasn't. That's a sharp chance.
Sessegnon. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now.
Well, as you can see, the weight of the through ball is key to this goal. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Pollock. The ball with Magnusson. And played the pass well.
21, LJJ.
He's going forward well here.
Thank you.
It should be. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Well, Manchester United all-powerful. They've accelerated away in this one, Stuart.
Well, what can you say about this performance? They've been absolutely
Oh,
brilliant.
opportunity here, Stuart. Oh, he couldn't outwit the keeper. Now, how about the short corner? In position. Brilliantly blocked. Hurdur Magnusson. And they need to get tighter here. It's there for him. Flinging himself at it. the keeper. Here's a change for Manchester United. And a short corner, let's see. And delivered into the box. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. And take it away. And space to attack. And United regaining possession here. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Can they take advantage of the situation? A goal! That's two for him today! They simply can't stop him. No wonder he's celebrating.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head. Smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Gabby. Well, visionary passing. Now the task is to remain focused. Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals. No let up here.
Well, here's the replay, and he shows great awareness to play this through ball. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Well, it's an out-and-out pasting, 6-0. The electronic board has been held in the air, and we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Well, a shot from miles out. Just made sure nothing came of that. Manchester United keep the ball, advantage. Opportunity it is. And a goal! He's doubled his total for the day in superb scoring form.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
And there it is, the final whistle, a result to please Manchester United fans around the world. What did you think of their performance as a whole?
Well, we talked about their ability to score goals at the top of the game, and once again they delivered. For me, they're always looking for the most dangerous pass, which is a great example to teams that keep possession for the sake of it. I think they're a joy to watch at the moment.
Could cross it in here.